Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to make simple login application in Laravel framework. Here we have create a simple Laravel authentication by using Laravel migrations, seeding, routes, controllers and view. We will develop this system step by step by using different Laravel features. There are many viewer has requested us to make video tutorial on Laravel login system, so we have make this video tutorial. In previous tutorial on Laravel we have already download and install Laravel application. And in that we seen how to upload file in Laravel, so we have used that Laravel application folder. Under this application first we want to make database connection, so we have open.env file. In this file here we have write localhost, in database we have write testing, in username we have write root and password set to blank. After this we have go to config folder database.php file, and in that file also we have defined database credential. This way we have make database connection. After this we want to make user table in testing database by using Laravel migration. So when we have download Laravel application, then by default user table migration file has been downloaded, which can be found under database migration folder. So we have open this file, and under this file we can see different users table field like id, name, email, password and so on. Now we want to migrate this user table to testing database, so we have go to compose a command prompt, and here we have write this command. This command will migrate users table to testing database, and users table has been created under testing database, which we can see here in testing database. Now we want to fill one data into users table, so we have used seeding technique of Laravel, and seeding file we can find under database seeds folder. So in this folder we want to create user table seeder class, so we have go to command prompt and write this command. This command will make user table seeder class under database/seeds folder, which can see here. So we have open this file, and under this we can see run function. On this page we have here add use app/user model. After this under run function we have write user class with create method, and under this method we have write array. In array first key we have write name with value John Smith, in second key email with value johnsmith@gmail.com. In third key password with value hash class with make method, and under this we have write simple password. This class will convert simple string to hash string. Now we have go to database seeder class, and here also we can see run function. So under this we have write eloquent class with unguard method. After this we have write $this with call method, and under this we have write users table seeder class name. This method will call users table seeder class up method. Now we want to export this data into users tables, so we have go to command prompt and write this command. This command will export this data to users table and insert into users table, so this way we can use Seeder class for export data into database. Now we want to create one controller, so we have go to command prompt and write this command. This command will make controller with name main controller in controllers folder. Now we have go to controllers folder and under this we have open main controller file and under this we have make one index method. So when we have called this controller directly, then this method will called and under this method we have write return statement with view method and under this we have write login. So when main controller has been called we want to load login form for login, so this view method will load login view file. Now we have go to view folder and under this we have already make login.blade.php view file and under this file we have already loaded jQuery and Bootstrap library. Under this page first we want to make login form, so here we have write form tag with method is equal to post. Under this form first we have write open and close two curly bracket and between them we have called CSRF field method for handle multiple exception. Now we have write input type is equal to email with attribute name is equal to email, under this user can enter their email address. After this we have write input type is equal to password with attribute name is equal to password. Under this tag user can enter password details. Lastly in form we have write input type is equal to submit with attribute name is equal to login and value is equal to login. By clicking on this button user can submit form data to server. Now we want to set root for index method of main controller, so we have go to web.php file. Under this we have write root class with get method with two argument. In first argument we have write /main and in second argument we have write main controller at index method. So when in browser we have write base URL /main then it will call main controller index method. Now we have check output in browser. Friend here first we have write base URL and after this we have write main then it has been display login form. So this way we can display login form. Now we have go to main controller and here first we have write use statement with validator class for form field validation. After this again we have write use statement with auth classes for check user details authentication. Now we have create one new method check login with request argument. This method will receive login form request. Under this method first we have write $this with validate method with two argument. In first argument we have write $request variable and in second argument we have define form field in array format for validation rules. So in array first key we have write email with value like required and email. Here this email field is required and it must be an email. Same way in second key we have write password with value like required, alphanumeric and minimum length 3. Here password field is required and it must be an alphanumeric and password length must be minimum 3. If this validation rules is not passed then page will be redirect to login form with validation error. But suppose above all validation successfully passed then it will execute other code part. So first we have display validation error on view file, so we have go to login.blade.php page. On this page we have write at the rate if statement, and under condition we have write count function with $errors variable value greater than 0. This condition will check if this count function return value greater than 0, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write at the rate for each loop, and under condition we have write $errors with all method as $error variable. By using this for each loop we can fetch errors value one by one, and under this loop we have write $error variable. This way we can fetch validation error and display on web page by using Blade templating engine in Laravel. Now we have go to main controller, and now we have write $user data variable is equal to array with first key email value get from $request with get method with email. Same way in second key we have write password with value get from $request get method with password text box field name. This way we have store login form data into this $user data variable. After this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write auth class with attempt method, and under this we have write $user data variable. By using this attempt method we can attempt to do the login with user data store and $user data variable. If validation successfully, then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block. If users enter proper login data, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write return statement with redirect method. Under this method we have write main controller / success login method, so validate user will be redirect to success login method. But suppose user enter wrong details, then it will execute else block, and under this block we have write return statement with back method and with method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write error, and in second argument we have write this error message. By using back method page will be redirect response to the previous location with error message store an error variable which we can fetch by using session get method. So for display this error message we have go to login.blade.php page, and here we have write at the rate if statement. And under condition we have write $message variable is equal to session class with get method, and under this we have write error. If this condition true, then it will execute if block, and under this we have write $message variable, so this way we can display wrong login details error message on web page. Now we have go to main controller, and here we have create new method success login. Under this method we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write success login, which is view file name which we have created under view folder. After successfully login, then user will redirect to success login method, and it will load success login.blade.php 'blade.php' 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 'blade.php Now we have go to successlogin.blade.php view file, and on this file here we have write at the rate if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with auth class with user method with email. This condition will check this method has return login user email address or not. This method will return login email address if user has login into system, and it will return true. So only validate user can view this page, and it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write welcome message with auth class with user method with email. Here we have display validate user email id on web page. Below this we want to display a logout link. So here we have write anchor tag with ref is equal to double curly bracket, and between this we have write URL method, and under this we have write /main/logout. Here logout page link has been redirected to base URL /main controller /logout method. This way we have set logout link also. But suppose any user directly access this page without login, then it will execute else block of code. So under this block we have write script tag, and between this we have write window.location is equal to /method. Now we have go to main controller, and here we have create one more logout method for login out from system. Under this block we have write auth class with logout method. This method will log out to user from application. After this we have write return statement with redirect method, and under this we have write main controller name. So after successfully login out from system, this code will redirect user to login page, because in main controller index method has load login page. After this we have go to login.blade.php page, and here in form we have write action is equal to 2 curly bracket, and between them we have write URL method with mail controller /check login method. So when we have click on login button, then it will send request to check login method of main controller for validate user login details. Now we want to set root of check login, success login method and logout method, so we have go to web.php page. Under this page we have write root class with post method, and under this we have write /main/check login, and in second argument we have write main controller at check login method. So when user have fill login form and press login button, then it will post form data to main controller check login method. After success login into system we have redirect to success login method, so here we have write root class with get method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write /main/success login, and in second argument we have write main controller at the rate success login. So after success login into system, then we have called success login method of main controller. Lastly, we want to set root for logout, so here we have write root class with get method with two argument like /main/logout, and in second argument we have write main controller at logout method. Here when we have click on logout link, then it will called logout method of main controller. Lastly, when we have login into system, then we do not want to display login page, we have go to login.blade.php view file. Here we have write at the rate if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with auth class with user method with email. If this condition true, that means user has already logged in into system, then we do not want to show this login page, so it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write script tag, and between this we have write window.location is equal to /main/success login. So if login user want to access this login page after login, then it will redirect to success login method of main controller. So here our code is ready, so we have not check output in browser. Friends, when we have write base URL /main controller, then it load login page. So here we have directly click on login button. After clicking on login button, we have received validation error on above login form. So now we have entered johnsmith@gmail.com in email, and password we have enter wrong password. After this, click on login button. So after clicking on login button, we have received error message like wrong user details error on web page. So here our validation code is working. So now we have write johnsmith@gmail.com in email, and in password we have enter proper password and click on login button. After clicking on button, our URL redirect to mail/success login, and it displays success login page with login user email id and logout link. Now we have removed success login from URL and press enter, but after press enter page again redirect to success login URL. That means when we have login into system, then we cannot view login page. After this, now we have click on logout link, and after clicking on logout link, page has been redirect to login page. Now we have type success login in URL and try to access welcome page, but page has been again redirect to login page, and we cannot access welcome page without login into system. That means our login system working properly, so this way we can make simple login system in Laravel. I hope you have learned something from this video tutorial. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.